In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay seller account in Australia, a step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you're planning to buy and sell casually or you're looking to run a full-fledged online store, setting up your eBay account properly is the first critical step in your e-commerce journey. So, let's get started and set up your seller account the right way. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com.au. This will take you to eBay's Australian homepage, where you can start the registration process. Once you're there, look to the top left of the screen, where you'll find the register button. Go ahead and click on it to initiate setting up your account. Now you'll be prompted to choose between two types of accounts, a personal account or a business account. A personal account is your best bet if you're interested in just buying items or selling a few things casually from time to time. On the other hand, a business account is more suitable if you plan to run a store or if you're looking into reselling items regularly. To set up a personal account, you'll need to fill in a few key details. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and then create a strong password that you'll remember. It's essential to use a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once you've filled out these details, click on Create Personal Account to move forward. If a business account is what you're after, the process is slightly different. Here, you'll need to provide your business name, the business address, and once again create a password. Additionally, make sure to specify the location where your business is registered. After entering these details, click on Create Business Account. After submitting the form, eBay will send you a verification code or an email link. This step is crucial for securing your new account. Make sure to check your inbox or messages and complete this verification promptly by following the provided instructions. With your account verified, the next critical step is adding a payment method. This is necessary for both purchasing items and receiving payments from buyers. Make sure your payment details are accurate and up to date to avoid any future issues. Finally, set your shipping address. This is where items you purchase will be sent, and it's also essential information for your buyers. Double check that the address is correct to ensure smooth transactions. And there you have it. Your eBay seller account in Australia is all set up. With this foundation, you are now ready to start exploring eBay, listing your items, and making your first sale. Remember, whether you're buying or selling, always keep your information updated to have a seamless experience on eBay. Happy selling!